Oh, what is it? What is it? What is it? Oh, yes. What are you doing? Look at Nessie opening her present. What do you have? What did you get? Is it a toy? You open that package. Want some help? Look at her open that present. What is it? What is it?
No more.
Oh. Oh. What is it? What is that one? What is it? What is it? Good girl. What is it? Oh, there's some payoff here.
You have wrapping paper in your
I
mouth.
don't know what that was. That's alright. It's a birthday tree. Not interested?
No.
Huh? How about this one? Yeah. How about this one? You gotta think about those, huh?
You want to get a cupcake?
You have to think about those, huh? Huh? Yeah.
Here's something you like.
Oh,
Look at that.
that's messy. Oh, it's your birthday cake. It's your birthday cake. It's right. It's not made of peanut butter. I wonder why she's done it. Birthday cake! Yay! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! 15 years old. Yay! Good girl!
You're probably going to want some water, aren't you?
Who's that birthday girl? Who's the birthday girl? I don't know if she has paper in her mouth or something. She might, right?
Yeah.
Happy birthday! That's pretty cool. She opens her own presents.
You want some water? No? Okay. Try it.